If you want my Ebeko Morocco, I hope some I see a very powerful earthquake bia a sea mu ewo Morocco honoma ama amanfo bebre na itumi dwane fi omu dem empa so ekopie mu ewo street so the earthquake ya dia ebubu dan bebre, especially in the mountainous villages, any Asian cities are omo build it to withstand such force no na arehosem any say nipa be say 2000 and omo ahwere omo nkwa ebi mu so eprepra na saa nipa 2000 yomo we penifo say ebetumi aba say more people kra no and ebewu ama numbers no akosro na earthquake no magnitude no 6.8 and no and the biggest to hit the North African country in 120 years. Intina enye asemketu akra ewo honum na the devastation no gripped each town along the high Atlas steep, winding switchbacks in similar ways, homes folding in on themselves and mothers and fathers crying as boys and helmet-clad police carried the dead through the street. Inti asema ekopie mu ewo eye Morocco enono. Comment no ebini. Showdown another number 1 Dr. Mahmoud Baumia or say my deepest condolences to King Mohammed VI and the people of Morocco for the devastating earthquake that has claimed several lives and left many others injured. My thoughts and prayers are with the people of Morocco in this trying moment of grief and sadness. Hamdan Abubakar says condolences to the families. James Amok said the devastation is worse than a war zone. Our hearts and thoughts are with the families of the victims and those still under the rubble. Shahad Ibrahim said, may Allah loosen the burdens and suffering of our brothers and sisters of Morocco. Taso Ena Alidu Aminu said, may the Almighty Allah alleviate the Moroccans from the unexpected earthquake which claimed many lives and injured several others. And this ena comment no etia aha ena mede showdown no ebesi.